Hey guys, your girl Renee, and we are heading into Lowe's because I want to see if they have their gardening stuff out. Because if they do, I need to get some of those pea pellets. So let me show you the store we are going into. We are heading into Lowe's, so let's go get it. All right, you guys, I'm outside in the garden center because they had the music playing over there in the seeds, so I couldn't talk in there. But I wanted to show you some of the stuff that they have on clearance. They have for $5.56. They have that blooming food, and this one is a mini plant food spike for $4.48. They got shake and feed for $6.73. That's what it looks like. And they have this rose flower, all natural bloom food, and it's supposed to nourish your roots, and that is $11.23. They have a whole lot of those. Then they have this, I think it's this plant food, 4 pounds for $11.23. And then they have this all-purpose plant food, safe for all plants, grow bigger and blooms and fruit. Look at that. And that is $8.98. I'm gonna try to find something to feed those Kelsey onions. And they have the Epsom salt, which is $16.11. Then they have the performance all-purpose food for $16.11. And then they have the garden sprayer for $14.98. All right, let's go walk around and see what else we can find. All right, you guys, just to give you a heads up, they have their indoor potting mix for $5.98. The cactus and citrus potting mix, $6.98. This is what I get, the seed starting mix for $6.98. And I think I'm good with that. And then they have the 8 quarts if you're doing your orchids for $7.38. And then this is the vermiculite right here, and that is $7.98. Peat moss is $6.98. And then they have the potting mix down there, which is the Miracle Grow, and that is for $5.38. And then they have the big bag of 16 quart potting mix by Miracle Grow down there, and that is for $9.98. All right, guys, I don't see anything else out here. So they didn't have my pea pellets that I was looking for. So I'm probably going to go to Home Depot and see what they have. So let's go on over to Home Depot.